Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free $6,000 Forex free funded account in today's video. All you have to do is to watch this video till the very end. Before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to take a moment right now and subscribe. And also, if you have muted our channel, make sure you turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a no deposit bonus of free funded account or a profit challenge account, you'll be the first person to get notified. So now that you are done with the first part, which is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, let's go to the next part where you are going to be getting this free $6,000 free funded Forex account. Now this free $6,000 free funded Forex account is splitted and divided into two parts. One is a free 1K Profem Challenge account and one is a free $5,000 free funded account. And I want you to pay attention right here in this video. So I'm going to be showing you at first how you can actually get this free $5,000 free funded Forex account right here. So the link to get this free funded account will be in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, which is where you'll be getting the full details on how to get this account. This is my Telegram channel right here on the screen, and I give no deposit bonuses that are withdrawable and free profit accounts for people. Everything we do right here in this video and in our channel are totally for free. All right, so if you know that you want to be the first person to get funded for free and be able to withdraw the profit, make sure you use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join us as we make money together. We are more than community, we are like a family. All right, so once you've got into an interface like this, you will see all of the details that you need in order for you to be able to get the free funded account. So once you click on the link, this is where you'll be taken to. All right, so once you've clicked on the link, this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen. As you can see, just like I said, you might be able to get more than $5,000 free funded Forex account. So to secure your spot, you have to secure it, and as you can see, 2 days left before the account is going to be launched. So to secure your spot right now, all you have to do is to click on get your spot. So click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see you'll be taken to somewhere like this. All you have to do is to enter your details. All right, so let me just enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email, enter your password, and enter your password again. Make sure you use my referral code. Okay, so after that, enter your phone number and click on complete registration. Okay, so let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you are done registering, the next thing you have to do is for you to sign up. So log in. So once you click on login in, as you can see, it is already logging in. So let's hold on and wait for what's going to happen next. So once you click on it, as you can see, thank you for taking spots. You've already successfully taken the spot and joining the WhatsApp. The next thing for you to do is for you to join the WhatsApp community to claim the free funded account during the live. So the free $5,000 Forex funded account will be live in the next 2 days, but you have to join their community. So if you are familiar with English, join English community. If you are familiar with Spanish, join Spanish, and if you are familiar with Indian, join Hindi. So as for me, I'm familiar with English. I'm going to be going for English. So click on English community. So once you've clicked on it, you are going to be taken to their WhatsApp for more details, and also you'll be alerted in their WhatsApp channel once it has go live. You will see it right there. So just join their WhatsApp community so that you can stay tuned and so that you can be reminded of when it is live. So let's hold on a bit. I want you to know what their channel looks like. So this is their channel right here on the screen, and as you can see, it's going to go live soon, just like I said. This is it. So all you have to do is to stay active right here, stay active right here, and wait for the free account to go live. So now proceeding to the next one, which is getting the free $1,000 Profim account. This free $1,000 Profim account, I have never made a video about it before. So do not fast forward this video and watch carefully. So some of you may not be able to get this free $5,000. Some of you may not be opportune. So in case you are not opportune to get it, you can just go for this free $1,000 Profim account. So now to get it, the link to be able to get it will also be in my Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video to go there. So once you've gotten there, you will see the way my channel looks like. So once you click on the link you find there, because the link will be attached to the thumbnail, once you click on the link, this is where you'll be taken to. So this is where you'll be taken to, and as you can see right here on the screen, this is the new latest $1,000 challenge account, Profim challenge account, and I've never made a video about it. So to get this free $1,000 Profim challenge account, you have to click on free $1,000 challenge. So once you click on it, just hold on a bit and you'll be taken to somewhere like this. And as you can see, get your free $1,000 challenge, prove your skill in the free $1,000 challenge, get funded, and earn your payout in real cash. No fee, no card required. So once you've passed this $1,000 challenge account, you will get funded and you will receive your real money, cash. So now to get it, just click on start 1K challenge. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the next place, to the next part of proceeding to get your free $1,000 Profim challenge account. Now every chances here and every steps here are one step closer to the free $1,000 account. So once you've registered, you've done everything you are supposed to do. You might be facing some difficulty when trying to verify your email account, because you have to verify your email. So you might be facing some difficulty. You just have to hold on a bit, because it takes few time before I was able to get my email account verified. So once you are done verifying it, you'll be taken to somewhere like this, and the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your WhatsApp and complete the trading survey. These are the 3 things you have to do in order for you to get this free $1,000 Profim challenge account. So now that I have verified my email address, I'm going to be verifying my WhatsApp. So to verify your WhatsApp number, just click on verify and enter your phone number right here, your WhatsApp number right here. Right now, it might take a little bit before you receive the code, because these people usually have some issues with their code, and also for you to be able to receive your code, you might have to wait for another 24 hours. You might have to wait for another 24 hours, or you can also use another number. So you just have to stay cool, because they always reboot. So take it one step at a time. If you don't get it today, come back tomorrow to try it again. Alright, but this account is very legit and you can be able to withdraw your money from it. So let's try. So as you can see, the claim limit for free $1,000 has now gotten exhausted. This is it right here on the screen. The period has reached. Please try again in 24 hours. That is what I said. You will have to come back after 24 hours to come and verify it. So immediately you are done verifying it, just click on claim free challenge account. So immediately you click on it, your login details for MT5 will be sent to your email and will also be here. So once you've seen it, just go to your MT5 Trader platform. Go to your MT5 Trader platform, just like I have shown you before in my former video. So just go there, click on this plus icon, search for the name of the server, which is Bright Funded. Search for the name of the server, and immediately you search for it, all you have to do is to enter the login credentials and click on login. So immediately you click on login, you will see the free $1,000 right here on your screen. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all. Make sure you drop it in the comment section if you have been able to get your own.